It's cold outside and I just need an easy, very small coffee maker. So this Keurig K-Mini made single serve coffee maker is perfect. I'm the only one in my house that drinks coffee, and I usually do iced coffee, but I really wanted to try some hot. It's 4 inches wide. Like, that is tiny. It blends in really well. Okay, I put the tray in. Oh, I like this. This is kind of like a rubber grab to open up the water area. There's a descale option, very simple, 1 poker here for your K-cup, and you can buy any K-cups that are compatible, which is all of them. That's the water reservoir there, which you can actually take out and fill in just in the sink. You don't have to bring the water to the machine. So it's giving me these instructions on what to do before I brew my first cup of coffee. I will tune in tomorrow and let you know. I live in a place that's very, very cold, so I decided to get the Sunny Health and Fitness mini stepper for exercise at home because I want to keep up getting my steps and my workouts in. Obviously, it's better with the shoes, but just for showing purposes, it counts steps and time as well, and you can log it in through an app that's provided. That's how you zero it out. Super easy to use. But yeah, there's an app with guided workouts, some on the stepper, some not. It comes with these resistance bands, which are actually pretty hard. And so you can do your upper body as well while you're doing your stepping. I think it's great. It's a bestseller for a reason, and I highly recommend it.